Letter Z. So I went with a more modern version, as well as the lowercase has the more classic kind of cursive inspired style of Z, and you could use those interchangeably. So you could take the lowercase Z and make that an uppercase, as well as the uppercase we have here, and turn that into a lowercase. That probably goes without saying, but this is one fluid stroke for the Z. So we're gonna come across with light pressure, down into heavy, and across with light. I like to draw my Z's. I don't know where this comes from. I do this for my Z's and my 7s. I'm sure it's something I learned in elementary school. So you can add that if you're used to that. This is another one where you could get pretty flourishy with. The problem is when you do too much of that, can you see how that also looks like a letter L? So again, that's when context matters, and you just kind of have to change it to make sure whatever word you're writing or phrase comes across like you want it to. And sometimes you need a second person for that, because I've even seen on Instagram like really popular lettering artists where a piece they've posted, and I'm sure I'm guilty of this as well, it's not readable. They know what it says because they wrote it, but there's a letter that looks so much like a different letter that it's hard to read. So that's something you really have to kind of watch out for, and maybe come back to a piece the following day and relook at it and make sure it says what you want it to say. So we're gonna come in for 2 different strokes for the lowercase. Light, whoop, my hand hit it. Light, heavy, and then light, heavy, around with light. For this slanted, we'll come light, heavy, and around with light, and then a slight pressure change, kind of light, heavy, light. So just light, heavy, light, and then around with light. Light, heavy for that first stroke, light, heavy, light. And this is again, whoop, one where you could keep this whole flourish on the lighter side, and then slightly more delicate version. That's it, you made it through the alphabet. There's a couple extra practice lines I left at the bottom for you.